In this video, I will show you how to create a Sparkline in Google Sheets using a simple product sales example. Let's say you have a list of products and their sales for the month of January. For example, your product names are in column A, and the sales values are in cells B3 to B7. Now, you want a quick visual way to see which product performed the best during that month. To start, click on an empty cell where you want your Sparkline to appear. This could be below your data, for example in cell B8. Now type an equals sign, followed by the Sparkline function. Open parentheses, then select the range B3 to B7. So your formula will look like this. Equals Sparkline, open parentheses, B3 colon B7, then close parentheses. Press Enter. You'll now see a small chart appear inside the cell. By default, this is a line chart, which shows the trend of sales across your products. However, since we are comparing product performance, a column chart works better. To change that, click the cell again and edit the formula. After the range, add a comma, then open curly brackets and type chart type set to column. This will convert your Sparkline into a mini bar chart, making it easier to compare which product has the highest sales. If the chart type setting does not work due to your regional settings, you can use a semicolon instead of a comma. For example, type equals Sparkline, open parentheses, B3 colon B7, semicolon, open curly brackets, quote chart type quote, backslash quote, column quote, then close everything. You can also customize the color of your Sparkline. For example, to make it blue, use equals Sparkline, open parentheses, B3 colon B7, semicolon, open curly brackets, quote, chart type, quote, backslash, quote, column, quote, semicolon, quote, color, quote, backslash blue, then close everything. Now, at a glance, you can clearly see which product stands out in January. The tallest bar represents the product with the highest sales, helping you quickly identify top performers without creating a full chart. Sparklines are very useful when you want to keep your sheet clean, but still include visual insights in a compact way. So that's how you can create and customize a Sparkline in Google Sheets using product sales data from B3 to B7. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.